Okay, Sarah, what are you doing with that kitten? Sarah's giving Baby Boo a bath. Baby Boo a bath. Yes, whether he likes it or not. The kittens are all being quite crazy today. I heard a little chirp when a kitten chirped. Chirping kittens. Crazy kittens. Crazy mama. Who's this? Well, hello. Come here. Baby Woo. Crazy mom. Oh, Baby Woo. Strut, strut, strut. Where are these little guys down here? So fast I can't keep up with them. It's Chimera. What are you doing, Chimera? Hello, Dexter. I'm sorry, that's not Dexter. I mean Dewey. Dewey, you're Chimera. Dexter's the one. Dexter attacking. Oh, mom's not on their tail. There she goes. Baby was clearly looking for trouble. And looks like he's found it. So fast, I missed altogether. Come here, Mom. Come on, Mom. Okay. Somebody's screaming over here. Somebody's chewing on somebody's tail. Somebody's chewing on somebody's tail. Look at that tail. Dip. They're gone. Chewbacca. Chewbacca and Dexter. Then we were joined by... Who are we joined by? Dewdrop? Yes, little baby Dewdrop. Dewdrop. Chewbacca. Dexter. Dewey and Baby Woo. Or is this, yeah, that's right. Chimera is over by the wall. There we go. Tiny Bear is above it all.